And I know we all are waiting to hear three wonderful women who are here, leaders in their own stride. I'll not take longer and come in between you and them, but I'll fail in my duty if we don't acknowledge the support, contribution, and all the efforts that were made by a number of people to make this program of today. So just please bear with me, and we'll begin with the next session soon. I'm very happy and feel very proud to offer this vote of thanks today. I'm very happy because it's been a much needed theme on which we are discussing today, and it is a tie-up between two institutes, a university and Federation of Industries, Gujarat Industries, that is an academic and a practice people, field people, to take up women's agenda. Okay, so which is a wonderful thing that has happened. I feel very proud because we have been able to bring in including Geeta-Ben, 5 women, distinguished leaders to today's forum to share their strife, their triumph, their struggle, and share their leadership style with the way they function with all of us to inspire a number of our young students who are sitting upstairs and seeing the screen, and number of aspiring women who may want to take up leadership role in future. So we have this galaxy of speakers today who would inspire and motivate us. So thus, on behalf of Women's Study Research Center and FGI, I wish to thank Chairperson of the Day, Professor Yogesh Singh, Honorable Vice Chancellor of our university, for his ever supportive, nurturing, and encouraging role. Sir, your interest in pursuing growth of all and being available to all those who need you at the university motivate not only us but also assure us that what we are doing is in the right direction. Thank you for your ever presence with us. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank Rashmi Bansal, a youth icon, a writer, making a revolution through her own mighty pen, for agreeing to come and deliver keynote address today. We thank you, Ms. Bansal, and acknowledge the fact that though you said that you never realized that you were a woman writer, but working in the field of women's issues for a number of years, we know that how women struggle when especially the fields are male dominated, and writing is one field where not very many women have written and have been successful. So you have been an icon in your own way for a women as well. So thank you for being with us, Rashmi. Next, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our 3 panel speakers for agreeing to come in spite of their busy schedules. When I'll introduce them, you will all know that they have so many responsibilities at their not only job fronts but in managing along with their homes situations, and have come out on another weekend on a holiday and have postponed it. All 3 of them have postponed it or preponed their other engagements to come to us. First, to begin with, Ms. Rosemary Hegre. We thank you for agreeing to come. She flew in the morning flight and she's going away in the afternoon, in spite of her very busy schedules and training programs that is lined up for her. Thank you very much, Rosemary, to come. I thank Neetu Wadhwan, who had to go to Pune for some another assignment in some another institute, and said that I'm postponing that because it is Gujarat, it is MSU, and it is a friend who has asked me, Shrikant, to tell that you should go to this MS University program. So thank you, Neetu, for coming, and I thank Shrikant also in absentia. And last, our own alumnus, Alaukika Rajeji. Thank you for coming. Even I know that you had a program and you said that you have preponed it. Thank you to come and share your work experiences in a rural Gujarat. Thank you so much for coming. With that comes the thanking of all others who have supported this program, our MS University authorities, administrations, FGI team led by Ms. Geeta-Ben Goradia. We see that leaders, we all know the famous line that leaders don't do different things, they do things differently. But I would like to add a line to say, when women do things, they not only do things differently, but they bring in that personal touch. And that is that personal touch that Geetaben has brought into this program. So on behalf of WSRC, I would like to very much thank you, Geetaben, for tying up and taking this agenda in the forte of male-dominated industries, and your team, including Mary. Thank you, Mr. Atul Patel, also for supporting the endeavor. Press, media, syndicate, Senate members, we thank you and we acknowledge your presence in today's program. I also wish to take this opportunity to thank deans and faculty, deans of various faculty of our university, heads of the departments, for supporting this event by motivating their students to participate in this symposium. So we have, I think, more than 100 students of the MS University of Baroda who have come, and they all are, I think, waiting upstairs, am I right? And they're seeing in the screen. So we really appreciate this support, and we hope that, as Shagufa said, that you'll continue to have them in future. I thank especially the Dean of my faculty, Professor M.N. Parmar, for facilitating my involvement in this program and agreeing to for our students help in event management. Thank you so much. Last not the least, I thank all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming here today morning and encouraging us and make us think that we should have had this program in C.C. Mehta Auditorium. Thank you so much. Yeah.
We now commence